Hello, my name is Arun and welcome to the Vegetarian Family Traveler. Today, we're at DAF Museum and join me as we visit the museum. We've arrived at the DAF Museum, nestled in the heart of Eindhoven. This place is a treasure trove of automotive heritage, and we can't wait to explore what lies within. So let's step inside and embark on this journey through time. Before we dive into the world of DAF Trucks, let's take a moment to understand their origins. DAF, which stands for Van Doorne's Aanhangwagen, Fabriek, was founded in 1928 by the Van Doorne brothers, Hub and Wilm. Initially, they specialized in the production of trailers and later ventured into the world of automobiles. The DAF Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the early innovations of DAF Trucks. Feast your eyes on this extraordinary collection of vintage DAF trucks. The museum showcases an impressive array of meticulously restored vehicles that exemplify DAF's engineering powers through the decades. In the 1950s, DAF revolutionized the trucking industry with the introduction of their Variomatic transmission system. This continuously variable transmission, CVT, allowed for seamless gear shifting, offering enhanced control and fuel efficiency. It was a game changer in the world of commercial vehicles. I am understanding the truck engine and transmission technologies from my grandpa, who worked for 4 decades in the #1 truck company in India. Can you guess which one? If you know, put it in the comment section down below. Do you have the same question? Where is the driver located? The driver is here. Post World War II, there was a shortage of buses, and trucks were used with bus wagons to carry passengers and employees so that work could begin. DAF has always been at the forefront of innovation and technological advancements. The museum highlights their remarkable contributions in areas such as aerodynamics, engine performance, and driver comfort. DAF's commitment to research and development has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in the trucking industry. The workshop gives an interesting perspective on the interior of the truck. This car is named William Alexander. Can you guess why this is? We take a quick look at the canteen. I walked through a showroom of beautiful vintage cars. One of the most exciting aspects of the DAF Museum is its interactive exhibits. Here, visitors can experience firsthand the evolution of DAF trucks, from sitting behind the wheel of a vintage model to exploring the inner workings of the engines. These exhibits offer a truly immersive experience. DAF's legacy continues to thrive today. The museum provides a glimpse into the modern era of DAF trucks, showcasing their cutting-edge designs, advanced technologies, and commitment to sustainability. Please make sure to spend a good half of a day if you're in this gem of a place in Eindhoven. As we wrap up our visit, it's impossible not to appreciate the impact DAF trucks have had on the global transportation industry. From their humble beginnings to becoming a symbol of reliability and innovation, DAF has left an indelible mark. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.